Canoo Incorporated stock, GOEV, is making waves, and there's chatter about it potentially hitting the $1 mark. Curious about what's driving this speculation? Let's dive right in and uncover the details. Okay, let's take a look at the news. Canoo Incorporated, known by its ticker GOEV, is on the radar of many investors and analysts. The stock price is showing signs of a potential surge towards a primary resistance level, and if it manages to sustain this momentum, we could see a continued upward trajectory. Analysts are pointing out that for GOEV shares to truly recover and make a mark, they need to accumulate a significant number of buyers. This accumulation is crucial for the stock to overcome the primary resistance level of $0.6611 and aim for the secondary resistance level of $0.8010. Now, here's something interesting. GOEV stock price was recorded at $0.4765, and it gained a whopping 7.85% during Monday's trading session. However, the trading volume was below average, indicating that there's room for growth in the upcoming sessions. The big question on everyone's mind is, will the GOEV stock price reach the elusive $1 mark? For that to happen, the stock needs to maintain its recovery momentum, and the accumulation rate of buyers needs to be consistent, especially during Tuesday's trading session. But it's not all rosy. Over the past week, GOEV stock price has seen a decline of about 8.61%. This downward trend becomes even more pronounced when you look at the past month, with a decrease of approximately 30.69%. The past 3 months have been challenging for Canoo stock, with a drop of around 26.23%. And if we stretch this to a 6-month period, the decline is about 45.29%. Since the start of 2023, GOEV shares have suffered a significant loss of approximately 62.48%. However, there's a silver lining. Technical indicators are suggesting a potential uptrend momentum for GOEV stock. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is heading towards neutrality, and the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, is moving towards a positive crossover. This indicates that the stock might be entering a recovery phase. But, as always, investors need to exercise caution and keep an eye on how the stock approaches its primary resistance level. Moving on to the upcoming trading session's surge signals for GOEV. The upward surge signals are $7.19, $7.37, and $7.51, while the downward signals are $6.87, $6.73, and $6.55. So, what do these numbers mean? These surge signals represent price points that could confirm a directional move for the stock. If the stock approaches or breaches these levels, it could indicate a potential trend. For instance, if GOEV approaches the $7.19 mark and breaks through it, it could be a sign of a strong upward trend. Conversely, if it drops to the $6.87 mark, we might see a downward trend. Investors should closely monitor these levels as they can provide valuable insights into the stock's potential movements. Alright folks, that wraps up our deep dive into Canoo Incorporated stock, GOEV. If you found this analysis helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insights. And hey, if you've just subscribed, drop a subscribed comment below, and we'll do our best to respond. Before you go, we'd love to hear your thoughts on GOEV's potential in the comments. Do you think it'll hit that $1 mark? Let's get the conversation going.